Here you'll see an example of modeling to meet given dimensions. The goal is to make a 3D model based on the dimensions of this 2D drawing. It is made of 4 squares with sides of 2.5, with inside squares that are offset 0.5 and are separated from each other by 0.5. Here is how to make the square. You will see that it is thin, only 0.06 or so thick. Remember that it is often easier to work with groups instead of individual lines. The next step is to copy the squares so that they are right next to each other. Here you will see the Edit Copy command followed by the Ctrl+V command to copy. Sometimes it is best to use a wireframe view so that you can see corners that might otherwise be hidden. The squares are placed right next to each other so that they can be moved 1/2 inch apart in the next step. Here is the Move command that you have already seen before. Next is the large square in the middle. It is 3.5 square. And it is located 1 inch horizontal and 1 inch vertical from the lower left corner. This should feel pretty routine by now. Look at the upper left square. It looks like the interlocking picture. The others just look flat. Notice that the square needs to rotate in order to have part above and part below. You will see that it needs to move up a bit too. In this example, it is rotated 10 degrees. Here is a close-up of the rotate command. Pick the corner and lay the edge along the top. Then rotate down 10 degrees. Notice that you might need to zoom in so that you can catch the correct plane at the corner. The square needs to move upwards so that the correct surfaces lie above the inner square and the correct ones are below the inner square. Here is a top view so that you can double-check the work. Repeat the process for all of the outer squares. Here is a flat top-down view and the 3D view. Check it out. Here is some practice adding color to the model. And finally, here is practice choosing a style. That was a complex model. And it took around 10 minutes. It will certainly take you more than that as you are learning the program, but this demonstration should show you where SketchUp is a powerful tool. Quick conceptual visuals are its strength. So that's it. Remember to contact your professor if you have questions.